Euro USD morning markup, 27th of July 26. We look like we've got a decent trade setting up this morning if our entry medal comes up. So I'll do this markup real quick because I need to get into execution mode. On the daily, we're bearish. Broken structure to the downside once, twice, but we have just broken structure to the downside, so decent pullback is likely. On the 4 hour, trending down nicely after mitigating that daily premium. And now of this last 4 hour swing leg here, we pulled into the premium, tagged it, and then we've just ranged for a couple of weeks, but finally swept all the highs, creating the next 4 hour high. And then the 1 hour has just trended down and broke structure to the left there. The 4 hours bearish as well, and the 1 hour's bearish too, because we've just got 1 hour structure just working its way down, swept highs to the left, and then that fueled the big break that broke this low here. Now the last 1 hour swing leg here, we've just pulled into premium, so we can see my entry model starting to set up just there, and we're going to take the trade down here. Have a look on the 5 minute. You can literally see my entry model playing out as we speak. So overnight, with it being Monday morning, the market's just gapped up, and then Asia's trended up a little bit. Now Frankfurt, we have just took Asia highs, we're in the premium, we're bearish on every time frame. So what I want to see now is price continue to break this structure to the left. And once it does, if this acts as the liquidation, limit on the 50%, and we're going to target down here. We could probably even target structural lows on this one. It would be classified in my trade plan as a trend trade, so I would, yes, absolutely be targeting these 1 hour structural lows. If anything, first target the value gap right there. So we could it's 2 entry models we can have on this. We can wait for entry model A, which we probably will, but there's entry model B2, which is this, where you have an inverted hammer, big bearish engulfer around the sweep, if it's valid, if every time frame's lined up, which it is. So realistically, we could cover that and then target down here. But I actually made a mistake last week of taking a little bit of a setup like this, where I didn't wait for London to open and react. I just took it on the Frankfurt, and although it was absolutely the entry criteria, just not waiting for London. London came in, reswept, and then went. So I got like faked out a little bit. So I did add in last week into the rule set, because that's happened a couple of times. I've not just added a rule in off one event. And it's something I've seen in back testing too. You can get faked at Frankfurt if you don't wait for London, because London will either give the true manipulation, or it will respect Frankfurt's manipulation, and you'll get entry model A, which is that limit. So yeah, I'll by the looks of it, there's probably going to be a trade, so I'll do a trade review a bit later on for that. I'll see you either in the morning or on the trade review.